Hi guys, if you want to convert multiple images to one PDF in Samsung Galaxy M35, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all open the gallery app. Now here tap on this menu icon and then tap on settings. Now here scroll down and tap on about gallery. Now here you have to tap 15 to 20 times until the gallery labs appear. So let's tap it. You can see now the gallery labs is enabled. So let's go back. And here you will see option called Gallery Labs. Simply tap on it and then scroll down and simply enable this option, save as PDF. Enable it. Once you enable this option, now let's restart the gallery app. So simply close it. Now again open the gallery app. Now here you have to simply select the images you want to convert into PDF. Let's say I want to convert these multiple images into one PDF. So I will simply select it. Once you select the images, simply tap on this create icon here, tap on it. Now here you will be able to see an option called save as PDF. So simply tap on it and here select the order. Let's select the default order and now the PDF is being created and it is done. You can see here is the PDF. Now to save this PDF, simply tap on this three dot icon and then tap on save as file. Now here tap on PDF file. Now select the internal storage wherever you want to save. Now let's say I want to save this PDF file to my picture folder. So I will simply select it and then tap on done. Now here if you want to rename the PDF, you can rename it. Let's say I want to give it my PDF. I want to give it this name and then tap on save. And the PDF is saved now. Now let's go back and check it out. I will open my file and then here I will go to my internal storage, DGIM and then open the picture folder. Here is my PDF file. I will simply tap on it and now it is here. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily convert multiple images to one PDF in Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.